Yo, I'm bored. Yo, what should we do today? Yo, Mara. What? I don't like you. Bitch, fuck you. You a bitch. Who is you? Yo, my name is Kathy Tornado. Yo, I don't know no Kathy Tornado. I meant Tiraro. Tiraro? Get off my shit. Yo, bitch, I don't know about you. You need to find your ass something to do, so you can get the fuck out of my shit. You coming up to me talking all kinds of shit. I never even seen your face. We got the same hair. Get your own life. Yo, who is you? Yo, for real, bitch, I don't even know you or what you be talking about, so you best be going. Bitch, don't lie. I know you lonely, but you need to step off. What? Damn, girl, you skinny. You hungry? Yo, bitch, I'm hungry, so what? What up? How about a nice, juicy fish sandwich? Eat that fish. Yo, eat that fish. Oh, I guess you're allergic. Oops. Yo, baby, give me my pills. Fucking bitch. Yeah! Fucking bitch. Yo, you handle yourself pretty well. Who the fuck is you? Yo, I like a tough girl. Yo, what you doing later? Yo, you maybe wanna chill? For real?